Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with episodes. So if we go to the TV show and check this one, okay, select the season 1 and here we have the episodes. Now if I click here, right now nothing happened. And I'm going to do the same thing we have here with Inertia and with Livewire. So when we click the episodes, we display the episode details, and down there I'm going to display the latest episodes. Okay, so go to the VS Code, and first I'm going to open the web routes. So for the episodes we have /episodes and the episode slug and the TV show controller. So if I open the TV show controller here, and down there we have the episode. So I'm going to say return inertia render, and it's going to render frontend / episodes / show. And what we need here now, here we need the episode, the season, because here we display the season, and the latest episodes. Okay, so first the episode, which is the episode we have here. Okay, the season is going to be the episode season, and latest is going to be, so down there I'm going to say $latest and episode latest. Okay, and I want take maybe 12 and get. Okay, down there say latest $. Okay, save. Now we need to we needed to open the JS folder, and in the front end create new folder episodes, and then here new file, name it show.view, and I'm going to copy what we have in the TV show, select all, copy and paste it here. Change the title to be episode name, and also here is going to be episode. Now if we have episode, I'm going to display here is going to I'm going to display the season poster path, and here the episode name, and I'm going to open the table plus to see what we have to the episodes. Okay, open Inertia movie, and episodes, we have the name, episode number, and the overview. Okay, so down there I'm going to say episode episode number. Okay, and copy and paste, and here I'm going to display the overview. Okay, next, here I'm going to add the latest episodes and say latest episode in latest. Okay, latest episode ID, the same thing here, latest episode slug, and for image I'm going to add the season poster path, leave it. Also, here we have only the episodes and the episode slug, latest episode slug. Okay, the same thing we need here, and display the latest episode name. And I'm not going to display the movies here, so close it. And here we need the episode, which is an object, latest an array, and also the season is going to be object. Okay, hit save, go to the browser, wait for Laravel mix and refresh. Now if I click here, we go to the episodes and the episode slug. Now here we have displayed the episode number. Here we have displayed the latest episodes. Okay. But if I come here and here we have flags, so here I'm going to say episode number is this one, and maybe cut this and add another div here and paste that in. Okay, one more. For example, I want to display also the after the episode name, I'm going to display, sorry, here I'm going to display, and why we have this. I'm going to display here the season dot name. Okay, and say here season, and that's it. Save, come here and refresh, and now we have season 3, and episode number is 1, and here we have the overview of this episode. And we need to add text white. Yeah, we need to add here where is the episode name, and here. So other class to be text white, And also in the overview, add a class, the same thing, say text white, save and come here. Okay, refresh, and now we have text white. And maybe in the name we can change the color to be text, for example, blue 300. Save, refresh, and yeah. Okay friends, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.